how clean it is. You see how clean it is. It's the next one. See how dirty it is. I'm going to clean this as well. Hi guys, if you're still watching this video up to here and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and in the comment section tell us where you're watching us from, okay? Guys, we are done cleaning our racks and look how clean it looks, guys. Now it's time to clean our oven, guys, and for that we will need white vinegar. This is a cleaning white vinegar that we need, and I will transfer it in a spray bottle that you see right there so I can spray the oven easily. And we will need Ajax bleach. Guys, this is the bomb. I love this product because it cleans everything so easily. You don't need to soak it for hours. You don't need to leave it overnight. You just spread the vinegar, you spray the powder of the Ajax bleach, and you scrub it with a metallic sponge, and that's it, guys. Now it's cleaning time, and I'm going to spray my vinegar in the oven like you see right now. And after I'm done spraying, now I'm going to pour my Ajax bleach powder all over my oven. And after I'm done pouring, guys, look at me scrubbing at the back with the Ajax powder, and you will see how dirty it is. The dirt is coming right off. You see that? It's coming right off. And I'm sorry, guys, I forgot to put my cleaning gloves on, so I was already in, and I said, oh, let me just do it. I don't care at this point. So I spread the vinegar again. Now with my scrubbing metallic sponge, I'm going to scrub it as hard as I can. Guys, look at the bottom of my oven. Do you see the brown water? The dirt is coming off already without even me scrubbing. You can see it without scrubbing. The dirt is coming out. That's how powerful this product is. So I'm scrubbing the side as well. I will scrub everywhere. And once again, guys, before you start this project, please put your gloves on. I forgot to put mine on, and I just decided to continue doing it because after this, cleaning this without gloves, my nails were dirty as so dirty, guys. I don't want to curse, but it was dirty. So I spread the vinegar again so it's a little bit more watery and I can easily clean the oven. We are done partially scrubbing some areas in our oven. Now with clean water and a rag, we're going to clean it up. And when we're done, we are going to scrub the glass part of our oven. Guys, for the bottom part of our oven, you can see how brown the water is. We're going to let that bottom sit Why not? So guys, I hope you like this little trick that I showed you to clean your oven. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.